If you're new to video marketing, you're probably aware of the numerous choices available for video editing software. Which ones do I use and why? Well, let's talk about it. Hey guys, Chris Chavez here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This episode, yes, it's all about video editing and what kind of software to use. We all have to start somewhere, and you know, it's better to kind of test the waters and see what's out there and to see what's going to resonate with you and what you think works for your brain. Now, this is just a quick, simple video just to keep these programs on your radar in case you're just, you know, learning and you want to dive into something but you just don't know where to start. That's what this video is about. We all aspire to achieve a professional look for our videos. Clean, crisp, and most importantly, visually captivating. But we all have to start somewhere, right? The industry standard right now is Adobe Premiere and Final Cut. However, diving into a professional editing software may not be the most effective way to grasp the basics. Let's discuss 3 editing software options that will guide you in the right direction, help you to build a solid foundation and master the basics. The most important thing to remember is it's all about the story. It doesn't matter what software that you use. If you need to use the very basic of editing software to get the story that you want out, use that program until it becomes like the back of your hand. You know it left and right. Then you know, okay, it's time to move on to the next thing. But don't have the mental mindset of, oh my gosh, I'm a video editor now, I need to go to Adobe Premiere right away, otherwise people won't take me seriously. People won't take you seriously if you show them something that makes no sense. Doesn't matter how pretty it looks, if the story isn't there, if you're not moving someone in a way, if you're not getting the message across, doesn't matter what software you use. But just wanted to get that out of the way. Yet again, no wrong choices, but now let's start the list. So we're gonna start with iMovie. Now I know the battle still rages on between Mac and PC. If you're old enough like me to remember those commercials, well, those commercials are amazing.
Hello, I'm a Mac. Mac has issued a salutation, cancel or allow. Allow.
I actually started off with iMovie. This is the first program that I used to learn how to edit. And honestly, it was a great stepping stone, and there's a lot of cool things within it that'll help you when you do graduate to something bigger and better. So let's talk about what comes with it. So first of all, iMovie is free with the purchase of any Mac. You can also download a free version of it on your iPhone or iPad. It's designed for Mac users. iMovie is user-friendly and offers a simple interface for basic video editing. It provides a range of templates and tools, adding effects, transitions, and titles, and more. Now, iMovie is a great choice for those that are just learning how to edit and also for users of a Mac in general. And the UI makes it easy to navigate to locate where things are. And also the drag and drop feature makes it easy for you to stay organized in your timeline. A dozen titles, a dozen backgrounds, and really fun transitions all come pre-packaged within this program, so you can have fun with what you're creating. And like I said, I started off with this program, and once in a while, if I'm on the go and I just have my phone on me and I need something really quick, I'll just throw something in there. There's no shame in going back to something that has benefited you in the past, you know what I mean? So if I need something really quick and I have my iPhone, yeah, I'll just make something super quick. So let's move on to the world of PC and that of Windows Movie Maker. Now, when I was going back to kind of figure out what program I wanted to use, I started looking at Windows Movie Maker as well. So I kind of dabbled in this one a bit. Now, Windows Movie Maker is free, so it'll save a little bit of dead presidents so that, you know, you can go and buy something really, really nice for your wife or husband. Windows Movie Maker is a basic video editing software for Windows users. It offers straightforward editing features like trimming, adding text, and transitions. While it's not as advanced as some of the other softwares that are out there in the market, but it's a good choice for beginners. Now, just like iMovie, it has the same drag and drop feature that helps you stay organized and learn where your clips are, like I said, in the timeline. Now, the last software on this list is a software that really borderlines between brand new users and already established video editors, in that of DaVinci Resolve. Now, I still actually use DaVinci Resolve when it comes to color correction. Sometimes I like the UI a little bit better in DaVinci and some of the options that they have for color correction. So once in a while, depending on what project I'm using, I will dive into it and actually use DaVinci for color correction. Now, the cool thing about DaVinci Resolve, it's for Mac and PC. It's a powerful and free editing software that caters to both, like I said, professional and brand new editors. It offers a wide range of features including color correction, audio editing, and advanced video effects. Now, it may seem overwhelming at first. It's a great option for those willing to invest time in learning something a little bit more advanced than what they're used to. Now, you could download DaVinci Resolve for free, or you can upgrade to DaVinci Resolve Studio for $295. And honestly, when it comes to the realm of software and to purchase, like $295 actually is a really good deal for something. It's not a monthly thing, it's you pay it once, it's yours forever. Now, these are just 3 programs that I quickly wanted to talk about in case you don't know where to start or where to look, or I've heard something about this, just wanted to show you a little bit about these programs. Now, Mac and PC, it doesn't matter. Like I said, I started with iMovie. Then from iMovie, I went to Final Cut. And from Final Cut, I went to Adobe Premiere Pro. If I didn't start with iMovie, it wouldn't have allowed me to learn the next step up in Final Cut. If I didn't learn Final Cut, it wouldn't have laid the groundwork to move me up to Adobe Premiere. Do you see what I mean? Now, whatever program that you choose, use it for a long time. Like I said, let it be like the back of your hand. Like, learn it inside and out and be so proficient in it that you're like, okay, I think I'm ready to move to the next step. And over time, you're gonna learn how you edit. You're going to learn this basic kind of format that's in your mind that when you start editing something, you are so quick in how you build that story that it's going to make storytelling a little bit easier for you, because as you're filming it, you're also going to be editing it in your mind because you're so used to that program that you're using. You may not see it now, but it's something that will happen. Just give it time. It's fun. Video editing is really fun to me, and I hope it's fun for you. But guys, if you want more information about these programs, I have everything in the description below, the links to all of them below, so that you can dive into them and kind of check them out before you decide to download and or purchase. Oh yeah, and don't forget, please like and subscribe. I love doing these videos. I hope you enjoy watching them.